how to make bolder acting choices without looking ridiculous. There's a little trap that everyone falls into called the safety trap. Now, most actors don't have a talent problem. They have a bravery problem. They're often playing it safe. Much safer than you think. Safer than the scene needs. Safer, and this is the big one, safer than the camera rewards. The camera loves stuff. Safe on camera reads as forgettable. So what do we mean when we say we want to be bold? We want actually to be bold without looking ridiculous, right? Let's define bold. Let's start by saying what bold is not. Bold is not bigger. It doesn't mean more emotion. It doesn't mean more intensity. All of that is wrong. So what is it? What bold actually is clarity of intention and making choices so clean and so specific that the camera has no confusion about what you want. Watch movie stars. Movie stars do it differently. When you observe, always observe the best. Dan Day-Lewis, Kate Blanchett, Gary Oldman, Denzel Washington, Meryl Streep. What they do, they don't go over the top. They commit. It's commitment, way above volume. It's not doing more, it's committing more. They make a decision. They make every moment a decision, so that every moment reads as being decided. They know what they want and they pursue it fully. They go right to the end. They don't dilute it halfway through. They feel powerful on screen. And so can you. When you start making these commitments and start looking for practical, bold choices. So what does it look like? What could it look like to you? Bold looks like this. Choose, in a scene that you're going to do, choose one clear objective and drive it through. Let the thought land before you speak. And make sure you allow silence to do the work. Silence is power. Make a clean shift instead of a vague one. Pick one idea and execute it fully. Now, this is probably going to bring up a lot of fear in you, because you're going to feel like, oh, I'm going to be going somewhere different, I'm going to do something new, something dangerous, something... So how do you overcome fear? You overcome fear easily by committing. So why do actors avoid this? Why don't they go for bold? We know the bold is where the gold is. We have this fear, don't we? We have a fear of looking stupid. We worry about overdoing it. We have this fear that we're going to be doing it wrong, that maybe indecision looks worse than making a wrong choice. But here is one thing I can tell you from my experience for years. This is so true. Casting forgives bold and ignores safe. The shift you need is to just move yourself, commit to something bigger, something bolder, something braver. Put it this way, if you don't try, if you don't stretch yourself, you'll never know. will you? You can do this. Go bold. One take, instinct. Second take, bold. You can learn how to do this in an hour. It's so easy. Instead of asking, is this a good take? That tends to put you into a judgmental position about judging what it is that you're doing. You don't want to ask, is this good? You want to ask this, is this clear? When you get clear about things, you'll get confidence on screen. And clarity reads as confidence, because confidence is what we trust. Confidence is what we watch. And confidence holds our attention. You can do this. Thank you.